Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post multiple haul videos, all different stores, look depending the deals, sales, stuff I need, viral stuff, all that. So if you like shopping, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my hauls. So today is a Dollar Tree haul from two stores. This is going to be like a multi-store haul, but multi-store, multi-day haul. But this is from my top two stores that I love to go to, and I hit the jackpot, so I'm stoked about this haul. So grab a snack, grab a drink, grab an air conditioner because I'm dying of heat. So, but let's get right into it. So the first thing I got, my favorite restock. These are my favorite little pens. I love putting these in little gift bags and for my office and stuff. So I just got the little animal pens. So cute. Then I got this book called The Warners. The Warners shines an important light on a woman whose story was until now lost to time. So this is pretty interesting. Obviously it's about a nurse at war and she's training other nurses. So pretty interesting. So got her. Then I'm obsessed with these. I had to get another pack when I saw them. It's just the ramen sticky notes, instant memo pads. Like they're just adorable. So got her. Then I got more of this space tape because one, I haven't seen it in forever. Two, at Walmart it's like $6.98 for this, and this is $1.25 at Dollar Tree, same thing. So I got more of this because I haven't seen it, and yeah, so I got that. Then I did find these. They're by Arm & Hammer, and they're these unisex comfort gel insoles. Soft gel provides cushion and comfort, helps absorb shock. So you get one pair in here, and for $1.25, I was like, why not try this? So we got these, so we shall see. Then I got this. It is, what's it labeled as? Decor balls. I saw this all over TikTok of people putting it in like vases and stuff, and I have a couple vases that I want to put this in and put some fake flowers in it, so I got this bag, so I think it's pretty fun, so got her. Then this notebook I thought was literally adorable. Like, look at everything on it, and it's just like your typical notebook, but the cover is what got me, like, adorbs. So we got her. Then this notebook, look at it, plot twist, like how cute is that? So precious, so got that. Then I did find two new Squishmallows. Got the purple sweet pea, they're both sweet pea, but I just think these are adorable, so got those. Then another purple. Then these Papermate pens, you get 8 ballpoint pens, ultra smooth ink. I had to scan these on the app because I did not think these were $1.25. They are. These are $1.25. So super great deal actually. So got those. Also, I did my makeup with some Dollar Tree makeup today, so there's that. Then I got this You Go Girl notebook with like the stickers and stuff. I just love these kind of prints. So we got that, and pink, cute, got her. Then, of course, I got the other animal pens. So now we got both sets, great for gifts, office, whatever, so. Then I got more of these Hanes socks. I wore these yesterday, and they are so comfortable, so I had to pick up another pair, and they are not tighter on the ankle either. And they are moisture wicking, like my feet did not sweat. So that is everything from that category, and the rest of today's video, like today's portion, will be all beauty and HBC. Okay, the first thing is by this Ong's Professional Keep Hands Clean Tidy Up, and that is the soft and hard bristle spotless nail cleaning in the palm of your hands brush, which I think is great because I do my own nails, so I think this is gonna be great for like manicures and stuff. So I got that. I'm really excited about that actually. Then I'm just clogging my own thing. So by brand Starry Eyes, I think it's the brand. Embrace your face, Starry Eyes brightening under eye masks. with vitamin C. And you get 5 under eye masks in here. How cute are these? So we have this set. Then we have the, oh, it's Embrace Your Face is the brand, because this is ICU. Hydrating under eye mask with rose extract, and you get 5 in here also. So those are the only 2 I found. I know they have lip masks, so I'm on the hunt for those. But did find a lip mask. This is the Yes to Coconut Exfoliating Lip Scrub and Plumping Lip Mask 2-step kit. So I'm excited to try this, and if I like it, I want to get more, but I only got 1 to try. So I'll let you guys know if it's any good or not. Then we got this that I've seen all over TikTok by the Ellie brand. It's just this little cosmetic bag with puffball. Like, how cute. Oh, there's a card in here. Love Ellie is, I guess, the brand. So that's pretty cool to have a Dollar Tree. And it's just so cute. This was the only, like, pattern they had, but still super cute. Then I got the Retinol Anti-Aging Collection Makeup Cleansing Wipes Retinol. Helps reduce the appearance of skin texture and overall smoothness. And you get 60 wipes in this big bad boy container. So definitely a great find for $1.25. So then this deodorant, Pacific Nights, I don't ever remember seeing this in the deodorant. I remember the Island Crush, Brazilian, like all that, but never do I remember Pacific Nights. If I'm wrong, let me know. But I've never seen this, so of course I had to get this deodorant. It expires in 2028. So got that. Then I just picked up another grape of the Glow Getter. This is my favorite one. I use it every single day, multiple times a day. I love this one. So it's great. Then, this is new. Yes, Grapefruit. Yes to Grapefruit Nourishing Moisturizer with vitamin C to brighten dull and uneven skin. So for $1.25 for this brand is always amazing. But to have the moisturizer is just fantastic. So we got her. Then, this is new by Glow It. It is the Glow It Gradual Glow Body Lotion Medium to Tan Hair Growth Minimizer. Okay. So this is the only shade that they had, so I'm going to try it, and hopefully it's not, like, too dark, but why not? So we got her. Then, I'm so excited for this, actually. So the Eco Tools Body Massager, Firming Massaging 100% Bamboo. I cannot believe this was $1.25. So, we got her. Then, I did restock on the Brow Fiction eyebrow pens. These are amazing. I just had to get a restock, so I got 1 light and 1 medium because I mixed mine. These are fantastic, so restock. But by Clean Color Pro Sealer Makeup Setting Spray. So we had the primer in the last video, or a couple videos, whatever. And now we have the setting spray, so I'm stoked for that little setting spray. So got her. Then the Artisan Blender Set 5 blending sponges, and it's in like a little zippy bag. How cute is this? We're gonna open it, and it's like all different shapes. So look at the little bag first off, like how cute. So let's see. Oh, they are like random shapes. It's cool. So we have that one, and we have this like green one, this yellow funky shaped one, this weird shaped one, and then this one. These are actually so cool, like such random shapes. Plus, you get the little gift bag to go with it. Like, that's just great. So, we got that. Then, by Clean Color, we have Clean Color Banana Press Powder Brightening Finishing Powder. How, like, I love Clean Color Beauty, so I'm stoked about this. And there was only 1 shade of the banana powder. So, I'll show you guys the shade. There's only one shade, it just looks like that. But still, brightening banana powder for $1.25. Yes, please. So we got her. Then I was so stoked to finally find this. It's the Giovanni, what is this called? Duo Blush Compact. So I got one of each. There's 3 different color shades. So I'm gonna open them and show you. And it comes with a little brush, which is amazing. So this is number 2. Then this is gonna be number 3, if I can open it. So this is number 3's colors. Super cute. This one is definitely all matte. Yeah, this one has a shimmer of glitter. This one's all matte, shimmer of glitter. And then number 1 is our last one. And this one has the glittery one in it. I'm pretty sure from what I can, yeah. So this one is mostly glittery. But the fact that it comes with this little brush too for $1.25 is amazing. So yeah, this one's mostly matte. This one has some glitter. And then this one is all matte. This one's more dark. So these are literally so freaking adorable. So we got that. And I dropped the lid somewhere. Then we got some new, by Aeroposa, we have some new bronzers. They all say bronzer. So I got one of each shade to see. So this is 88805. Oh, and it has a little brush in it. Okay, they all say bronzer, but they're definitely not all bronzers. And they each come with a little brush. So this is our first little shade here. And they all have glitter. But that's what they look like on the outside. And they do have, oh, okay, no, they all have the same exact number on the back too. So, yeah, so it's kind of actually really hard to tell the different shades, but we're going to figure it out. But yeah, it's by the same brand that those beauty blenders are from. So that's a good thing. And then this is the second color, so just like a little darker glitter. So I got that. Yeah, they all say 88055 on it. They all say that. So there's no shade names or anything. It's just all same names, just different, like lighter, darkers. Yeah, and these compacts are hard to open. Today's just not my day with opening stuff. And then this one is definitely more light. So there's that one. And then this one is definitely like more of a highlighter color. And this one, again, is dark. Let's just swatch them. So these are all 5 shades swatched. And I did get just one of each, so there's only 5 different shades. But the colors are not bad, actually. So definitely different, like, range of shades. I know it's not the best swatch job, but it's what I could do. On my fingers, too. But yeah, so I'm like trying. There we go. So that is the swatches of them. So yeah, definitely nice, though. So that is actually all from this video. I didn't realize how long the video already was. So yeah, so that will just end this Dollar Tree haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what you guys done that for, I should have done that for. And definitely don't forget to subscribe, share the channel, and see you guys in my next haul.